Hey there, this is Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to talk about some things that you might not know too much about. This is something called hidden recession. So this is a case who came in, and I actually treated him today, so I've got a photo actually from today. So this patient came in, he had recession all over. This was his chief complaint, so he only wanted to treat that area. But when we were actually probing it, we were actually able to get down really, really deep around the outside of that tooth. And, well, the recession doesn't look that bad, but you'll see we found that it was much, much worse than is actually shown right here. So we cleaned him up, we got rid of his bacteria, and when I was going to do the gum graft, we ended up opening the gums up right there, and you can see how the gum line was only up to about there before, but once you open it up, you see the bone loss is actually much, much, much worse right there. So that is what we call hidden recession. So this is definitely something where I'm glad he came in to get treated because it was much worse than even he was aware of right there. That is a tooth that if he let it go for much longer, it could have lost even more attachment and he could have actually lost that tooth eventually. So that's something where we ended up doing a gum graft right over the top here, and we're actually able to save that tooth. So if you have any areas of recession, you notice a little bit of irritation, a little bit of inflammation around those areas, it may be worse than you think, and it would be a good idea to come in and get checked. So give us a call, come on in, and we'd be happy to take a look at you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.